So we're looking at the flamingos and
There's a duck in there.
wow.
Look, that's the duck pond, and it flew all the way from there to here.
Wow. So Zena, what are we doing? What was the first thing we did? We spread it out. What have you got there, Zena? They're poles, huh, for putting up the tent. Zena, what did we just do? We put up the tent. We put up the tent. Yay. Okay, well, we have some guests hanging out in our campground. I mean, we're on their turf. Okay. Woohoo! And we also have the merry-go-round. We're going to go on a little bit. Zena! Zena, you having fun at Roar and Snore? Next year, maybe we can get the rest of our troop to come with us.
Yeah, they even have...
Lots of fun. And they're getting ready to have a dance party. Isn't that adorable?
I think they just hatched.
Not quite like today, but they're adorable.
Yes.